As Jamaica sets sight on exceptionally increasing exports to the world, this strategic objective is being supported by a rebranded Trade Board Limited. This agency in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce has also launched a transformative trade tool dubbed Export Jamaica to make it easier for Jamaican goods and services to enter the global marketplace.
It's a groundbreaking global market intelligence and compliance gateway. At the Trade Board Limited, we have long recognized that many potential exporters consider the task of finding markets and counterparts overseas daunting, and some believe the process of exporting is too complicated to try. Our two initiatives are geared to solve these two problems.
The new online trade information platform aims to revolutionize the landscape for Jamaica's potential and existing exporters by advancing trade opportunities and fostering economic growth.
The Jamaica Trade Board's adoption of a new name and logo serves as a laudable testament to their commitment to fortifying trade services with Jamaican businesses. This strategic rebranding initiative represents more than a symbolic change. It signifies a profound dedication to adapting and enhancing trade services to meet the evolving needs of the business community.
It is providing the catalyst for businesses to succeed by bridging the gap between buyers and sellers from Jamaica to the world.
With timely, accurate, and actionable market insights. Whether you are a seasoned exporter seeking new markets or an aspiring entrepreneur taking your first step, this gateway will be your trusted companion.
Exploring new markets is one of three main categories encapsulating more than 21 modules that are driving the Export Jamaica Gateway platform. These include the Best Country to Trade module, which uses country profiles, import and export details, statistics, and other associated information to help persons determine where and who to sell over 5,000 different products.
The second category, Engage Businesses. This section utilizes a collection of different databases to discover potential trade partners and marketplaces in your desired region, along with valuable resource for facilitating international trade.
This Engaging Business category also provides a counterpart module search tool to help persons identify over 1.5 million companies listed worldwide and specific products they import or export. A database of business directories covers more than 1,800 business directories from around the world. Professional associations and trade shows are also available, along with a marketplace module that gives access to a database of over 510 marketplaces, as well as a module with tenders from around the world that Jamaicans can use.
The third category, Customs and Compliance, where users are able to obtain information needed to manage their shipment and comply with rules and regulation in the target country, as well as find the applicable duties at the product level.
All necessary documents to authorize the departure of goods from one country for entry into another are identified on the gateway for all parties involved in the trade and transit process. A blacklist counterpart database is there to help exporters know whether a company or individual has been placed on any official list of parties sanctioned or banned from foreign trade transactions around the world. Not only does the Export Jamaica Global Gateway provides help to existing and potential exporters, it also supports local manufacturers and producers seeking to source raw material for their production and government involved in the export process. Export Jamaica helps with the requirements to get exporters into target markets.
On the gateway, we have also saw the need where there was need for additional tools to support the information that was provided. These tools would include a landing cost calculator, which is a tool to calculate duties, import taxes, transportation and insurance charges for importing of goods into any country around the world. There's a selling price calculator, which is a tool to determine the selling price of a specific product, including all the necessary costs related to exporting.
The revolutionary trade platform is giving Jamaican businesses access to market trends, insights, regulatory updates, and other trade intel, meticulously adopted and customized to meet local needs.
Which contains over 25,000 industry and country-specific market reports and industrial insights.
Jamaican exporters are also set to benefit from an online export academy, a Q&A type facility.
Export Jamaica is not just a tool, it is a promise of efficiency, transparency, and global reach. Let us use Export Jamaica to unlock new horizons, find and make good use of export opportunities, and elevate Jamaica's export landscape.
Persons can access the Export Jamaica Gateway by going to the URL tradeboard.gov.jm/Export Jamaica, or by clicking on a link accessible on the Trade Board's website to create a profile and register.
Once submitted, the Trade Board will then verify this information against the company's office database just to verify that this is actually a benefit that we are giving to the Jamaican population.